Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix camera error code on Windows. First method is click Start, Settings, click Privacy and Security, click Camera. Turn on camera access, also turn on Let apps access your camera. Second method is type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand HKey local machine, click and expand software, click and expand 0xa00f4271 node. Click and expand Microsoft, click and expand Windows Media Foundation. Right-click New DWORD 32-bit value, named as Enable Frame Server Mode, change value data to 0. Third method is right Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Camera, right-click Camera, click Update Driver, click Search automatically for drivers. Fourth method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Camera, right-click Camera, click Uninstall Device, after uninstall restart System. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.